on the structure. What are they doing up there? Oh, now you can take the lift to go up. Oh.
顶的话进去了，其实这个到不了顶啊，这个只能到那个火炬平台，因为我到能到2。
因为它这个在吊威亚的话，占演唱会，然后你要是想去那个观景平台的话，
哦，this lift 我们可以上了哈。
可以上。
可以，好，谢谢。
里面按
6楼。哦，里面的。哦，这里啊，这里好，谢谢。Oh, so that's when they top of the world. They take the lift go up to the structure.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
I'm wondering what's the meaning of top view of the bird nest.
Going down.
Oh, wow, this is crazy place. It's like climbing out Sydney Harbour Bridge. Wow, they actually made this place for visitors to come in and admire top view of the Beijing National Stadium. So cool. Yeah. So true enough, the top view of the bird nest.
Wow, beautiful.
Wow, we are at the top of the Beijing National Stadium. We go up.
Wow. Oh, this is a rooftop, you know.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hello. It's a rooftop there.
Yeah.
Olympic National Stadium, Beijing.
Never expect to actually come up here.
Yeah.
Tour the bird nest. My original intention is just to find out the venue for the high rocks. I end up walking here. Oh, that's the venue of the high rocks over there.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah,
That's beautiful.
yeah.
Wow, you see the...
That one is an artificial lake, no?
Wow, yeah.
It's not natural. It's man-made just for to make the whole place.
Oh, this is the exit, you know.
Ah.
You will not be able to see the... Under your phone now.
The arrow. Go this way.
Out here there's the word
Oh,
top of the don't know what, so it's good to take the video of the area.
oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Other time you can't come up with the rooftop.
So when they say the roof of the, you see there are people walking there also.
Yeah.
There,
Huh?
there, there, the other side.
No?
There, come here.
That's for sun.
You can see people walking there.
Really? Because of the sun.
So you can actually walk around almost the entirety of the top of the bird nest.
Oh, look at the steel bar.
Yeah.
Very strong, huh?
So the entrance fee is 100 RMB. It is worth it to pay and enter to see the stadium from the top. Stop recording. So this is the map. North that way, south behind me, west, east. So cute. They make some of the metal plates, smiley face, thing of Beijing words. Where the worker drilling on the holes on the metal structure. No climbing, don't tell people. So top wonder of the bird nest air corridor. Wow, this is a nice view. Oh wow. This is really a nice view. Seriously, very nice view. Okay, those two structures has the Olympic ring on it, and then a man-made lake.
Oh, that's the torch over there.
Yeah, the metal torch, the one they use this to. Yeah, I did. Worth the money coming in here. So no wonder it's a lot of tour group comes here. Yeah, well, you still need to be a little bit physically active to do a lot of climbing. You can actually walk all the way to the other side. No, I'm not too sure. Imagine it's open to 10 p.m. no. So
It's a nice view to take.
it is.
Take video from here, nicer. There's no blockage.
Yeah, this spot. Hang on. Stop recording.